mill. I might have to shift it over, but I think that's probably going to be about right. I think you can, yeah, you can see the 2 marks I've got down here. That's where the slot's going to be. Obviously I can't go right to the end, and I can't go here, so I'm going to have to leave a little bit in between and then just nibble them out afterwards, because obviously if I mill the slot up full length, it's going to go clink as the vice just pinches it up. So in fact I can probably go to the end, but I think I'll just leave it anyway, and I'll leave a bit just here somewhere and then just do the rest of it. So let's see what happens. Obviously I've got a lot of overhang, no doubt it's going to vibrate like a, yes, one of them, but we'll see how we go. Well, that bit actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought that was going to vibrate like an absolute mother, but that wasn't too sad. So as you can see, well, you might not be able to, actually you can't see, I've left about 2 mil on the end here, and I'm going to do the same about here. Right, I forgot. bugger. Oh well, not the end of the world. It's only a machined parallel that I've done myself in brass, but I just had the feeling I was just touching it, and I had, but there you go. Not the end of the world. Right, carry on. Right, okay, now, as I need to put a taper on this now, I think I'm going to do that next. I need to put a taper on this side and then flip it over and do a taper on the other side. So, let me find some tooling. So, got this tool here, never used it before. I'm going to see how well it works. This is the plastic piece, and as you can see there's a little bit of a square on the bottom left, so it's not all a taper, but we'll see how this works, and well, we'll just wing it. Unfortunately, that's just not going to work. It's doing a nice job, but I'm not going to be able to get it deep enough. If I can't get it deep enough this side, I'm definitely not going to be able to get it deep enough the other side. So, let's try another tool. So I've had to swap out for the ER40 collet holder because I haven't got a collet chuck on my 25 that will fit this. Ironic really, isn't it? But anyway, right, so as you can see, nice angle, it'll do. It's going to get the job done, narrow enough, let's get on with it. As you may have noticed, I did support the other end of this just with a machinist vice, so it stopped it vibrating a bit. But anyway, let's get on with this thing, get it finished. I don't think that's too sad. Right, now let's flip it over. So here we go again, the other side. Right, touch that with a file. So here we have it in glorious blurry vision. Fitted nicely, screws below the surface, and it strengthened it up. But on editing this video I realised that there was something on the lens, so I took some still photographs. And the crazy thing is, after doing all this work, I still haven't used it. What we was going to use it for, we ended up using a table saw, so there you go. But if I ever do, then I'll put it on my Facebook link. But it's a table saw at the end of the day. You all know what it works like. As ever, more details in the description. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you again soon. Ta-da.